Masculinity is more than just being a man. It is about embodying a masculine lifestyle and possessing certain skills. For that reason, we are going to be going over 5 more skills that every man needs to have in their arsenal. Number 1, basic first aid. One of the pillars of masculinity is the ability to serve and protect others, characteristics that are at the core of first aid as a practice. First aid does not only save lives, but can also minimize potential damage, reduce pain, and improve situational confidence. All men should pursue a preliminary first aid course, as these take minimal time and provide lifelong returns. Number 2, how to style a suit. As previously discussed on this channel, suits are a timeless and essential item for a man's wardrobe. However, despite the quality and fit of a suit, a man can look quite foolish if he does not style and accessorize it correctly. By selecting the right tie, shoes, belt, and watch, a man can turn a cheap suit into a visual masterpiece. Additionally, scenarios like work, dinner dates, and parties require different aesthetics and accessories to ensure you look and feel your best. Number 3, standard ways to invest money. As Grant Cardone says, investing puts money to work. The only reason to save money is to invest it. This great quote shows the importance of investing, as good investment decisions are a pillar to both short-term and long-term financial well-being. Men should have a comprehensive understanding of how stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and other alternatives can be used and optimized in a complete portfolio. A full video will likely be created in the near future on this topic, as it is essential for long-term growth as a man. Number 4, mow grass and landscape. A man's property is his domain and should be taken care of as such. Part of this care and upkeep revolves around the exterior of the house, particularly the landscaping. When a man can mow grass, trim hedges, and take care of plants, he will ensure his land is constantly appealing. Additionally, yard work is good exercise that has been shown to have positive long-term mental health benefits. Number 5, basic vehicle maintenance. Flat tires, dead batteries, and faulty spark plugs can affect any car at any time. General vehicle issues are a common problem that can become dangerous quite quickly when not addressed. As a man, having the ability to perform basic maintenance and procedures can save money, reduce potential downtime, and eliminate the risk of being stranded. However, if large and concerning issues do come up, it is recommended to see a professional. To learn more about the basics of masculinity, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a video.